The tulips give it away. Of course, I'm in Amsterdam, and there are all kinds of other things that could give away where I am. Look at this. That tells you where I am. I'm in the Winston Churchill suite at Le Grand in Amsterdam. It's Sofitel, and I'm looking out, I think, at water. Yes, I am. I arrived 1 hour late because Eurostar broke down on me, and I'm going on a boat on the canals in 15 minutes, and I'm running out of gas. So goodness gracious, how am I going to unpack, find my way around? This is going to be the weirdest video you've ever seen from me. This is the bedroom, more tulips, and let me see what I've got here. Oh, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Well, this is interesting. It is different from many of the places I've been in recently. It's got character, though. I actually rather like it. And good, I've got a USB by the bedside. Okay, bye for now from the Winston Churchill suite, and more tulips than I've ever seen in hotel rooms before. Bye for now.